Hi there, campus pastors. David has asked me to do this little video about how to set up this little application called Zoom. Zoom's like a video conferencing application that's similar to like Skype or something like that, but it's really good at handling larger groups. So for things like prayer meetings or team meetings, just to discuss whatever while we're going through coronavirus, I've been finding it super useful. So I just wanted to make this little thing and show you how to set it up. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to zoom.us. Zoom.us. Even though it's US, it's kind of a global site. So yeah, that's the right address, zoom.us. And then you want to sign up. Click sign up, and then you go through the sign up process here. I've already got an account, so I'm just going to click sign in instead. And then sign in like this. And then it will take you to this page. This is like where your profiles are, your meetings are. If you wanted to do like webinars or some form of different things, you can pay for that and have up to sort of 100 video participants or 10,000 people that you're streaming it to. So it's this really big software. You can do a lot with this, but I've been using it for meetings. So what you want to do when you want to set up a meeting is you click your meetings on this panel and you click schedule a new meeting and you type it in. So let's say let's type in campus pastor prayer, pastor hangout. There we go. Cool. Hanging out kinda together. And then you need to set when, so you can pick a date. So let's say we want that Thursday night at 7 p.m. And you've got your duration. Now, on your free account, you have a limit of 40 minutes. What you can do, though, is you can just sort of stop it and then create a new meeting and call everybody back again after 40 minutes if you want to keep it going longer. One thing I will say is that the pricing for it is actually quite cheap. The pro version, which is 12 quid, is it extends the meeting duration to 24 hours. I've paid for a month of this for my church because I felt like this was worth doing. And really, when I think about the cost of this, it's like the cost of Mackies for two, and at the minute we're not going to be eating Mackies, so I felt like this was, fine. But do what's right for you. So coming back to this, you want to keep on entering in your details, your duration. You can set it up as like a repeat meeting if you want to. Then you've got this thing called meeting ID. What you do is you probably want to, if you've got different meetings going on that you're inviting different people to, you want to either click generate automatically, or you can just use your personal meeting ID. This is almost like your Zoom phone number. So depending on what you want to do, you can click this or this. Then you want to select require a meeting password only if you want to. I tend to leave this off because like nobody's coming to invade our meetings generally. Like it's fine. I turn on video for both because generally when we're praying, we like to be able to see each other. If people have got phones, that's, it just uses the selfie camera and all of that. You can then select things like enable people to join before you've started the meeting. You can enable a bit of a waiting room while people are, waiting for the host of the meeting, you, to start the meeting. There's lots of different options. I just tend to enable this, and then I click save. And once you've clicked save, you've got this join URL here, this join URL. What you want to do is you want to message this out to people. So you either want to email it to people's computers, you want to send it to people via WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger or something like that. Just make sure people get this URL, because this is what's going to enable people to click and then either download the application or and then enter the meeting. So let me show you how that works. So you click this and it will launch you to this page. What happens is, if nothing prompts from the browser, download and run Zoom. So when you hit this page, if you've got nothing happening, you need to just click this button and then you save this little file and then you go to your downloads and it will download and it will open, and it will install. It doesn't take very long to install at all. He says, waiting for it patiently. It's only about 10 megabytes, so it's not very much. And then it automatically loads and should begin to load into the meeting that you've set up. So this is me. You then just click join with computer audio, and there you are. You've got, you can see me. I'm on camera. This is the video. So you'll be able to then join the meeting, and other people will join. You can enter full screen here. You can manage participants. So at the minute it's just me, but as other people join, what it does is it almost, when the person's talking, it just automatically shows you the right person on the screen. It's really handy, really useful. So yeah, you can then come out of that. I've got the option to end meeting for all, or when you're done, you can just leave the meeting and leave other people chatting if you want. That's up to you. So I'm just going to click end meeting for all. So, and then you can close everything down. What happens is when you click that link and other people send this to other people, they just see the screen. They don't need to sign up for anything. They don't need to make an account. All they need to do is just download and install it. And it's pretty much the same on PC and Mac. So you just download it and you just download the file and run it. And that's the same on Mac. You just download the file and run it. It should detect whether you're using PC or Mac. But also, if you send this via WhatsApp, it will take you either to the Google Play Store or to the Apple App Store to download the app on those platforms too. And it just works the same way. You click the link and it loads the app and you join in. And perhaps you might have to type a name in for who you are. But other than that, it's fine. Yeah, I've been using this because it's really good. It's been helping us stay connected. I had a great leadership meeting last night using this, where we discussed how things are going with the virus and how we're doing things as a church. But then also tonight we're going to run a prayer meeting through this. So if this helps you, yeah, give it a try and take a look, because it's going to help us stay better connected together, which is great for church. All right, everyone. God bless you. Take care. Bye-bye.